In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule carousel posts. If you've ever wanted to share a series of photos or a mix of photos and short clips in a single Instagram post, a carousel is the perfect format. Using a scheduling tool makes the process smoother and keeps your content consistent, and today we'll walk through how to do that in Later so you can plan ahead with confidence. First, log into Later and connect your Instagram business or creator account. This connection is what allows Later to securely communicate with Instagram on your behalf, so it's essential that you use a business or creator profile rather than a personal one. When you connect, make sure you choose the correct Instagram handle if you manage more than one and grant all requested permissions. That ensures your media, captions, and posting capabilities are accessible inside Later without hiccups. If you're already logged in, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace or brand area where your Instagram profile is attached, so everything you do is applied to the correct account. Next, head to the calendar in Later. The calendar view gives you a clear picture of your content plan at a glance. Click Create Post, then select Carousel. Choosing Carousel here tells Later you're building a multi-asset Instagram post, not a single image or a video. This keeps everything bundled together in one composer so you can focus on storytelling and pacing rather than juggling separate uploads. Now upload multiple images or videos in the exact order you want them to appear. Think of this like arranging slides in a presentation. The first item will be the lead image people see in the feed, so pick something eye-catching. You can mix photos and short video clips, and Instagram supports up to 10 items in a carousel. Prepare your files beforehand so they have consistent dimensions and quality. Square or vertical formats tend to perform well and look cohesive. As you add your media, check the sequence to make sure it flows naturally. Introduce the topic, build interest in the middle, and finish with a strong conclusion or highlight. If you need to fine-tune the visual balance, consider alternating close-ups with wider shots, or pairing quick clips with still images for rhythm. Once your media is uploaded in the right order, you've laid the foundation for a polished carousel. With your account connected, your calendar open, and your assets arranged, you're ready to finalize your post details and move toward publishing on your ideal date and time.